This video is for informational and entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised. Today, let's compare Iraq and Lebanon, two Middle Eastern countries with very different sizes and roles. Starting with population, Iraq is much more populous than Lebanon, giving it a larger labor force and domestic market. Lebanon, on the other hand, is far smaller in population but more urbanized. Looking at the economy, Iraq's strength comes almost entirely from oil. Crude oil dominates its exports and drives government revenue. Lebanon's economy is more service-oriented, with banking, trade, and tourism once playing a big role, though it has faced serious crises in recent years. In terms of land size, Iraq is geographically much larger, with deserts, fertile river valleys, and oil-rich regions. Lebanon is much smaller, but strategically located on the Mediterranean, with strong historical ties to trade and culture. When it comes to human development and literacy, Lebanon generally ranks higher than Iraq. Education levels are strong, and internet penetration is among the highest in the region. Iraq, while improving, still faces challenges after years of conflict and rebuilding. Politically, both countries face difficulties. Iraq has been working on stability, but continues to deal with divisions and governance issues. Lebanon, meanwhile, has a unique power-sharing system among religious groups, but suffers from political paralysis and economic collapse. Culturally, Iraq is often called the cradle of civilization, with deep Mesopotamian history. Lebanon, in contrast, is known for its cultural diversity, Mediterranean influence, and vibrant diaspora around the world. So, in short, Iraq is larger and resource-rich, while Lebanon is smaller, more urban, and diverse, though both nations continue to face major political and economic challenges today.